Mosquitoes won't leave you alone? The one thing doctors say works better than toxic repellents. We all enjoy and love summer days, right? Well, I guess that none of you love the mosquitoes that come along with the sunny days. Mosquitoes are definitely one of the most annoying insects. Besides sucking blood once they get to your skin, the worst thing is that they can also bite through clothing. Many people use sprays and other mosquito repellents, expecting that they will help them. Obviously, they are not aware that they can cause more harm than good, considering the fact that they are full of chemicals and toxins. Fortunately, you can always opt for natural remedies that can also repel mosquitoes effectively. It does not mean that natural remedy will not provide the same results as other store-bought mosquito repellents. You can always try and see the results. The effectiveness of this particular essential oil blend is confirmed by a great number of scientists. With its heavenly smell, this natural mosquito repellent will keep the mosquitoes at bay all summer long. Protecting from mosquito bites is crucial for your overall health since they carry life-threatening diseases like malaria and the Zika virus. According to numerous studies, the blend of lemon and eucalyptus essential oil can act as a powerful mosquito repellent. It can provide even better results than DEET, an insect repellent that is known to be highly toxic. Actually, the researchers claim that DEET can provide 84% protection within a period of 4 hours, while lemon eucalyptus blend can provide 97% protection in the same time period. As you can see, we are talking about an extremely effective mosquito repellent. The best thing about this is that it is available to everyone. The method of preparation is very simple and easy, and you will need only a few ingredients. How to prepare? Needed ingredients: 30 drops of lemon eucalyptus essential oil blend, 4 ounces vodka, rubbing alcohol, or witch hazel, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions: mix all the ingredients in a spray bottle and use when needed. Make sure to reapply it regularly because the formula lasts for up to 4 hours. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention confirms the effectiveness of lemon eucalyptus blend and claims that it is a great mosquito repellent. However, we have a few other natural options that can be extremely effective as well. 1. Lavender. You should crush the lavender flowers and apply the oil on the sensitive parts of your body, such as the ankles or arms. You can also pour a few drops on a clean cloth and rub it on your skin. 2. Cinnamon oil. For every 4 ounces of water, mix 24 drops of oil. Spray the solution directly on the skin, around your home, or on your clothing and plants. 3. Thyme oil. Mix 5 drops of thyme oil with 2 ounces of water. In order to prepare a homemade brew, mix 4 drops of the oil to every teaspoon of olive, jojoba, or other base oil that you prefer. 4. Greek catnip oil. According to many studies, Greek catnip oil can effectively repel mosquitoes within 2 to 3 hours. In addition, scientists at Iowa State University discovered that it is 10 times more effective compared to DEET. 5. Soybean oil. By combining soybean oil with lemongrass oil, you can repel various types of mosquitoes. 6. Tea tree oil. It is scientifically proven that repellents that contain tea tree oil are significantly effective against mosquitoes, bush flies, and biting midges.